Today is day 4 of our 50 squats a day, 10-day challenge. To make it a little bit more challenging today, I'm going to hold some soup cans to use them as weights. So I'm going to do a little bit of that today.
What kind of soup?
Tomato soup.
That's supposed to be good for you.
All right. I'm also on a Life Pro vibration plate to make it a little interesting too. All right. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, quick break. I think I'm going to try going down like this. Okay, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yay! Whew. Well, thank you everyone who's been doing this challenge with me. Whew. We got 4 days done, 6 more days to go. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Hold on to your anchor moments and make it a great day. Bye-bye.